The structures in a multi-academy trust are quite different to those in a single academy trust. It introduces another tier of governance. In a single academy trust you have the members and then you have the governing body, and beneath that you may have a committee structure. In a multi-academy trust you still have members and then you have what is an incredibly powerful board of directors, because it will be that board of directors who decides whether a local governing body even exists or not, because the choices are a local governing body that has some delegated decision-making powers, or an advisory board at a school level that's role is to provide advice to the to the board of directors that they can take notice of, but still would choose to make their own decisions at the end of the day. And I think size of the multi-academy trust will dictate a certain model, as will the location of schools within a multi-academy trust. Within a small multi-academy trust where the schools are reasonably close to each other, I think you can go for the command and control model, where the board of directors and the chief executive officer or the executive principal will hold a lot of power and decision-making responsibility centrally, and maybe relatively low levels of delegation to an individual school. And the local governing body has the status of a committee in whatever MAT structure that you decide to work with. And therefore the committee and the command and control model might be very akin to a teaching and learning committee and might have that focus at an individual school level. In a bigger multi-academy trust and or where the schools are distributed around the country, you might have to go for a different model where much more responsibility is passed down to a local school governing body, and actually the responsibilities retained at a board of director level are relatively light touch, but they would still have the power to notice if there was a problem at a local school governing body and intervene if necessary. Those considerations then roll into where are the right people to sit at the right table. So for example, if you've got a governor who's got an interest in human resources, you want to make sure that they're accommodated at the right level. In the smaller MAT, that is likely to be at a board of director level. If you're going for high levels of delegation to individual school governing bodies, including staffing decisions, you might want your governors with HR knowledge and expertise and interests to be involved at a local governing body level rather than at a board of directors.